Elites are out.
Yeah, the sun is on me, and my eyes all over you, and the liquor got us twisted. What we gonna do? DJ got it bumping.
Today's the day. LA, LA, baby. I'm gonna go inside and see what these hooligans are doing.
Ready for that?
Nitty.
We're out of here. Elites are out.
The elites are out.
Oh, you got
Move your ass. Cali. We're going to Cali.
One day she'll come with us.
Cause to be honest, it seems like every time I'm mostly right. I'm mostly right. I'm not though. I usually be right.
I don't know, Nat. I always think about that conversation that we had in what's it called?
There's a lot of conversations we think about.
Name them.
There's a lot of them. Well, name some of the ones where you were right.
Alright, so this is Terminal B. Now we have to find C. It should be after this.
I feel so high, bro. Yeah, how many did you eat for? Bro, I had 5.
Oh yeah. Keita, you're about to be.
This is what happened last time. Marie had the family flashbacks when she had the. Oh wait, we don't have that video anymore. Laptop got stolen in the car when I left.
Oh my god.
I forgot that.
That's another story for y'all. We'll tell y'all one day.
Fuck.
We'll tell y'all one day.
Do we just sign in and there's like a thing?
Yo, D, wait. Yo, D.
What? What are you trying to say? Because he's gonna drive away. Keenan, no fucking way.
No, give me those right now. Put in my purse.
Yo, why don't you have a wallet?
Because he'll lose the whole thing.
Oh my god. I tell you, I cannot not forget shit. But it's like a wallet you can put in your pocket. You don't gotta. Bro, no, you know what you need? You need a bag.
Look at my nails though, they so cute. Gang. Yeah. Yep. We're waiting for y'all. Yeah.
Look, there's handprints on his ass.
Who?
Bro.
He wiped his hands on his ass.
Ah, yes. Keenard.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey. Please. Where the hell am I going? Hey.
You did your last name.
I did.
I know your legs are done.
Were you in the middle seat?
I took like my first day on the plane. I had to take a photo. It was crazy.
Nitty. First time in LAX? Not your first time. You've been in here. Have you been here?
I'd be here every other week.
Oh, like Rachel lived here basically.
No,
Yeah, right for here all the time.
I'd be in here.
Nitty.
Love your nigga.
Yeah! Yo.
2 blacks. Somebody getting black raw this weekend?
What?
Huh?
You guys plan on black raw and anything this weekend?
That's the plan.
Love it.
Look at this food. Yeah. That is beautiful. Yeah. Hey. Whoa.
Extra salon today.
Salantre. Picante. Again in an elevator. Here we are. We got Kenny, Will, Sam, JJ, Keenan, Rachel. So now we can't leave the car.
So as you can see, the car can start. So the FUB is in here.
The fob is in the car, but we can't find the fob.
What do you say? Can I look?
Yeah, please.
Everyone get on each side of the car. I'm on that.
Okay.
I don't see anything.
Oh, it's right here.
Where?
My camera.
What the?
Are you? Wait.
No one thought to move.
Nobody lifted up the camera?
Nobody thought to lift up the camera? Nice.
Okay.
Yeah,
I need to pee.
Wow. Anywho.
That was stressful.
LA, LA, baby.
Good morning, LA.
Somebody hand me a lighter. Ooh.
I knew y'all all would be dick eating the whole time. I knew it. I was like, yo, they're gonna be on my ass.
Gotta like the L's.
Of stuff. We will get it.
Wait, I have to get a picture of this.
Right. Yo, how does he stop himself? I'm scared. Oh god. Bro.
See, that's how you pick up speed. You gotta like.
He's about to go right into traffic.
No, what is
Somebody just barreled into.
Yo, he's tripped.
No, no one's
Yo,
got barrel.
he's crazy. Oh fuck. Yo, he did that shit. How's he stopping?
right, bro.
Ew, he's talking about something.
Wait, where the fuck?
People, they don't really know you. They don't really know you.
Yeah, no, look, these are the blocks.
Oh my god.
Yeah, see all
for a
this.
business app and more money for a bunch of other apps. That
Oh
really
my
I
god.
told y'all about this.
Bro, you seen this before?
If you didn't film it, then it ain't filmed.
No, I think I was telling him.
Yeah, I asked him, was it for the first time parking? I wasn't even paying attention at first. We're learning today. This guy can't. You can't park, nigga. I mean, look, Dean, look. I tell you, Dean.
People yelling.
Got niggas yelling. Look.
Oh wait, I don't know that I showed my camera this at all. Look where the fuck we're staying. Look where the fuck, this is our little section. Has a little bar, little lounge area.
I hate whatever. Da 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 da.
Get ready to shoot Relly's music video tonight. Little drink before.
Yes, and drink.
Got my guy JJ over there. Kenny and them are here.
I want to go in the pool.
Yeah, just look up where y'all are at. Manifest it. Just manifest it. Manifestation. We're gonna manifest that we're gonna be here making videos and things of that nature all the time. Gonna live right here. You know what I'm saying?
Honestly, the pool felt great.
Woo! I'm trying to.
We're about to go in the. We're about to go in the jump.
Yeah.
Lots of fun things going on. You know, yeah. Wait, what did I say the last time?
Wait, why did we bring a speaker over here? Keenan. I just thought.
I'm gonna jump in the pool because
I'm saying the pool.
it's gonna, you know how cold it's gonna be now?
I know. It's gonna be fucking freezing. It's like a body shot. Let's just all go
Nice.
scream. Look at this. Look what I'm about to do right now. I'm a little lit. I'm a little smashed. Oh! Wait. You know what I remember from dance class? Hold up. Go.
Hey man, where's my pink champagne?
Rich, what is that?
This is
What is that? Hold up. I got this shit. I remember first position. Ready, second position. Hold up. Third position. Fourth. I forget what this shit was called. Here we go.
Gonna break it down.
Oh yeah, she going crazy.
Wait, Ray,
going crazy.
Johnny Vlog!
It is vlogging. It's recording right now. We're doing back bends. We're ballerinas, bitch. And my show's about to die.
Did that say no? Oh, that was for the bike?
Uh-oh. Keenan. Keenan. Keenan.
I thought it was a green one. What the hell? We don't have that at home.
Hello?
Yo, so the fucking car got broken into and somebody took Trey's suitcase.
Wait, what?
What happened?
The car we got broken into, that somebody smashed the window.
No way.
What the fuck?
Swear to God. So,
Kenny
I don't know, we're trying to clean this shit up right now. We called the cops, we figuring this shit out, and we gonna try to pull up afterwards. We don't know. But get what y'all can done if y'all at the spot.
Y'all handle y'all.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Bro.
No, you're good. Well, I'll call you once we do figure it out. Like, we probably just gonna clean this up and see what
That's
the day looking like.
I just spilled my drink. I just spilled my drink.
Wait.
Wait,
There's
wait,
nothing to clean
my
this shit
entire
up
drink.
with.
My entire drink. My entire drink. Where's the rag? Where's the rag?
Like, what? There's a puddle. How is this puddle?
It's so much.
Back there.
It's so much.
Hey guys. Well, like we're here in LA, we're doing a lot of content, and there's just a lot of crazy shit going on. So basically, the story is called Shrooms, and all of us end up taking shrooms. We're recording that first part back in Philly. Now we're here, and we wake up, and we have no idea whose house we're in.
It's a mess right now, but
Yeah, it's a mess.
it's supposed to look a mess.
It's supposed to be a mess because we just were off shrooms and had a lit time. You already know it's a good time when the cork ends up inside the thing. Yeah, me and Nets are opening scenes. You know, Net's been on Law and Order. You guys probably recognize him.
Oh, what the hell?
So, yeah.
Nettie.
Rolling. Sweet. I'm gonna be asleep, and you're just gonna hand back. Net, Joe, get up. No, seriously, get up.
Oh my god.
Where are we at? Look. Net. 3, 2, 1.
Yo, bro, get up, bro. What the fuck? Look.
You're good? No, you're good. Oh, yeah, we know. We love takes. We love takes. We really do. We have a lot of them. That means action.
What the hell?
He's not supposed to laugh, Keenan. Like, you know what I mean?
I feel amazing. I think I'm too faded. Yeah, I'm going.
Dee Dee Weenie Bobini. Keenan, your bubbles. Right?
Net, we looking down for
I'll be praying in the next room.
Turn this shit up. Look at him.
My titties are out. My titties are out.
We're in your mama.
I'm on a choke on a pizza.
I'm about to roll some of that stanky thing.
Johnny, can you imagine like standing?
No!
What do
Nettie.
you know about this?
Succulent. The Nicki Minaj flag. The guy looking at you behind us. We were just under the car looking in the crevices.
Everybody was.
Can I have some Szechuan sauce?